Today we're going to take a quick look at the thermal disinfection function of the CliniMix 1500 TMV. We're going to start by isolating our TMV, so we'll start with the cold inlet side and we're going to turn that valve 90 degrees, isolating the water flow into the valve body. We'll do the same on the hot water side. That'll ensure that the valve is safe for us to handle. Next, we need to remove the red lock shield at the top of the valve, and that'll give us access to the thermal disinfection function. Now that that shield is off, we're going to check the temperature adjustment spindle is tight. This will make sure that we don't interfere with the temperature setting while we complete our thermal disinfection. The temperature adjustment spindle is the little Allen key right here at the front of the valve. Now that we've checked that temperature adjustment spindle is tight, it's time to insert an Allen key into the thermal disinfection sub spindle. We're going to turn that counterclockwise until you hit the stop. You'll know that you're heading in the right direction because you'll start to see a red indicator. When you hit that stop and see the red indicator, you'll now be in the thermal disinfection function mode. Now you can reintroduce the hot water supply by turning the isolator 90 degrees so it aligns vertically with the valve body. This will allow hot water to travel through the valve and across the cartridge and perform a hot water disinfection. The thermal flush function is now active. Once you have completed your hot water thermal disinfection, it is now time to reverse the procedure. Start by isolating the hot water supply, then introduce cold water supply for a period of time to lower the temperature of the brass valve. Start by winding the thermal disinfection screw back into the body clockwise until you hit the stopper. You can now reintroduce the hot water supply and then return the red lock shield to the valve. You've now completed a thermal disinfection of the CliniMix 1500. Discover the full range of CliniMix valves at galvinengineering.com.au.